Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get everything you need to start making lip gloss, and that is Amazon Prime eligible. And just so you know that if you do not have Amazon Prime, they do give you a month for free. So let's just jump right into it. So first, I'm going to start in order. I have everything added to my cart already. This is flavoring oil. This is cotton candy. This is the most affordable one I could find that was Amazon Prime eligible. And Loran flavoring oils are very popular. Next is pigments. Again, I looked for the most affordable of everything. These are cosmetic grade, and you get a lot of different colors, and if you use them right, you only need a tiny little bit. They will last you forever. You have to mix it with oils or the lip gloss base will be way too thick. This is just one option, one of the more affordable ones I could find, and a very popular one at that. It says it's a bestseller, and as well as Amazon Prime eligible, so you will get everything super fast. Alrighty, next up is pipettes. These are very important. You cut the tip and the end of these to help you reach the very bottom of your tubes, or else it's going to be a big mess trying to fill up your tubes. These are a must-have, and $15 for $3 and change is a good start. And of course, syringes. Syringes are a little more expensive, but if you would like, you can rewash them. And if you guys would like a video on how I do that, I can do that for you guys. Just comment down below, let me know. And this is 4 of them for $9.99. And again, they are Prime eligible. Alrighty, so next up is of course your squeeze tubes. These are smaller tubes, which is good to start out with, because I started out with 15 milliliters and I did not get a lot of tubes out of my 5.5 ounce lip gloss base bag. So I recommend starting out with smaller tubes like these, because you'll get more bang for your buck. And these are the most affordable Prime eligible ones I could find. Next are your labels. These are the labels I'm using right now, which later on I do show my Instagram. They're a little too big, so I am going to show you the ones I would recommend. So since you're getting the smaller tubes, I recommend these labels. They're a little smaller and thinner, so you can just get your name on there and not have to worry about wrapping those bigger labels all the way around your tubes. When you see my Instagram, you can kind of tell I had a hard time getting those labels on there. I'm going to try again to redo them, but you'll see what I mean. Alrighty, so last but not least is your lip gloss base, which is $6 and change plus $3 and change shipping. And unfortunately, TKB is not Amazon Prime eligible. I don't know why they don't want to be Amazon Prime eligible, but if you consider everything else, and they do ship pretty quickly, so you know it's not too bad. But that's the only thing that is not Amazon shipping. So $72 and $22 for everything you need to start your lip gloss business all in one go, right here on this list. And I will have all of this linked down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. But I do also want to mention that on my Mercari page, which I do actually have a lip gloss starter kit, as well as some wholesale items that I do sell. As you can see, I sell squeeze tubes, some wand tubes, but here's my lip gloss starter kit with the wand tubes. It is on sale for $64. I'm always boosting my products. You just follow my page and you'll always get notifications. But it comes with 8 ounces of base, your pigments, your oil, pipette, syringe, everything you need And I even throw in some candies in there because of course I'm Candy Kiss Cosmetics. How could I not? But this is my Mercari. You know, check it out sometime. And this is the one with the squeeze tubes. You get 15 squeeze tubes. Yeah, that's my Instagram. And it comes with everything except it's with the squeeze tubes. And again, it is marked down to $52. So make sure to follow me on Mercari and you will get that notification. And look, see, I do sell my tubes as well. It's all there. And you should definitely make a Mercari if you're going to be selling lip glosses. You know, you can find a lot of good deals on there. And be sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. I'm always posting content whenever I can. And on my personal page, which should be linked on there, I do follow everybody back. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful day. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.